Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today my topic is phylum Aschelminthes. This phylum Aschelminthes, it is also called Namathelminthes. It is also called as Namathelminthes. An animal placed in this phylum or Nematoda. It is commonly known as roundworm. It is commonly known as roundworm. It is a Greek word. It is the Greek word Esches cavity and helminthes. Helminthes verb. Helminthes verb. It is a Greek word. Esches cavity or bag, gold or helminthes means verb. The members of this group are Ascaris. Members of this group are Ascaris, hookworm, pinworm, flareworm, and this roundworms. These are the organisms which are present in Aschelminthes. You all know that phylum Aschelminthes includes 6 widely different groups, classes of animals. Some of these groups like rotifers and nematodes had phylum rank and still received some status at the hands of some zoologists. However, all resemble in certain fundamental characters, but various classes are so closely related to one another as are the classes in other phyla. The name of phylum refers to the cavity between the digestive tube and the body wall. And here we have to describe the general characters. General characters of Aschelminthes. First point is habitat. They are aquatic, freshwater, and terrestrial. They are aquatic, terrestrial, freshwater. They may be free-living, parasite in plants and animals. And if you go this natural history, roundworm ranges from less than 1 mm to 1 meter, less than 1 mm to more than 1 meter in length. Occurs everywhere in freshwater, I have told you, seawater, soil. But hectare of humus-rich soil may harbor several hundred million microscopic free-living nematodes. You all know that human hosts about 50 nematodes. These worms, they are present inside our body. They make harm to our body. This is the first point, habitat. Second is germ layers. Germ layers. The Nematoda are triploblastic. They are triploblastic. Means they have 3 germinal layers. They are the triploblastic. Now, another point we go the symmetry. Symmetry. Symmetry means the symmetry is bilateral. The symmetry is bilateral. The symmetry is bilateral. And now respiration. Third point is respiration. How they respire. Aschelminthes, they respire through body surface. Respiration occurs by diffusion. Respiration occurs by diffusion through body surface. And another point is circulatory system. Circulatory system or undeveloped, or we call that circulatory system in Aschelminthes or absent. And another point is alimentary canal. Alimentary canal is straight. Alimentary canal is straight, complete with mouth and anus. Complete with mouth and anus with muscular pharynx. With muscular pharynx. And another point is reproduction. How they reproduce of their own kind. Sexes are separate. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is internal. Sexes are separate or dioecious, means male and female are distinction. Means that male and female are distinction, fertilization internal, and direct, maybe direct or indirect. Maybe direct or indirect. We can say that there is the sexual dimorphism is present. And other point is body is usually worm-like, just like this. Body is usually worm-like, cylindrical, or we call that they are called the roundworms. Why they are called the roundworms? Because they appear circular in cross section. Because body is worm-like, round, cylinder, and tapering at two ends, cylindrical or flattened, we said. Another point is female are longer than male. Females are longer than male. Females are longer than male. They are unsegmented. They are unsegmented. They are unsegmented. If we go for another point, appendage of this Aschelminthes, there is no locomotory appendage. Locomotory appendage. There is no locomotory appendage in Aschelminthes or roundworms. And another point is they are pseudocoelomate animal. Pseudocoelomate animal. Because the body cavity is called the pseudocoelomate, because the mesoderm is found as secondary ports in between the ectoderm and endoderm. Or we said a cavity is present between the body wall and the digestion tract. It is not lined by mesothelium, therefore it is called the pseudocoelomate instead of pseudo. It is contains coelomatic fluid. It contains. If you go for excretory system, how they excrete waste products removed from the body is called excretion. How they excrete? Excretory tube removes body waste. It removes the body waste. Excretory tube. It removes the body waste from the body cavity through the excretory pore. Excretory system consists of, or we say that excretory system consists of gland cells or of canal, both ammonia or both. Ammonia is the main excretory product, matter. However, Aschelminthes excrete urea. Aschelminthes excrete urea is the exception. Head. Interior end does not head. If you go for what is it is head. The interior end does not form a distinct head. Interior end does not form a distinct head. If you go for nervous system ladder tie. Nervous system, it consists of circumpharyngeal ring, circumferential ring. It consists of circumferential ring that gives rise to curve forward as well as backward. These are the general characters of this Aschelminthes. Thank you all.